Trader, happy Sunday. RUI, top 100 companies in the world, the OEX, RUI, both of those, but we're talking about the Russell 1000. It started down. We can clearly see the gap. We can see the high. We can see the resistance. We can see the support. We can see the lower high where it did not break above it. I'm calling for a good size pullback in the Russell 1000 index using the hourly chart, knowing that we gapped from here to there, like all of them. And we know that this support level down here will be at risk. And then the lower support level that's down here at 3068 becomes increasingly at risk over the next 30-day period. Stay signed up. Sign up for the free 5-day trial. Buy now, pay later. That one's got your name on it. Buy now, pay later. Call me.